Okay guys, I want to talk to you about something different today. I'm going to try not to rant too much, but we're going to discuss the possible power outages here in California. That's why I came to Southern California Edison. If you haven't already heard, there's a chance that they're going to shut the power off for up to 1 million people in California. Something like 36 counties are going to have a chance of losing their power today and tomorrow. And this isn't the first time this has happened. This has been happening for years. Both Southern California and Pacific Gas and Electric, Southern California Edison and Pacific Gas and Electric, over the last decade or so, instead of maintaining their lines like they used to do, they've paid off politicians and Public Utilities Commission officials to let them maintain them with far less frequency. And the result of that is a degraded power grid, which is now dangerous whenever we have fires. For decades, they didn't have to shut the power off for fires. They kept their lines well maintained. Now they don't, and it's caused the Erskine fire here in Lake Isabella. It's caused the Paradise fire up north. Most of these major fires we've had recently have been caused by failing power lines, and the only explanation for that is the lack of maintenance. So that's why I came here to the Southern California Edison yard to make this video, and I'm going to show you guys a great solution so that you can be prepared to still power at least your most basic devices in the event of one of these fire safety power shutoffs, which appear to be the new normal in California. The possibility of a power outage looming over everybody's head, I wanted to show you guys something that you could possibly get to keep you better prepared. These power outages in California are being done for fire safety reasons. Whenever there's high wind and low humidity, they are now considering shutting off power to entire communities. This event that might occur today could affect 1 million California residents. That's why I'm filming this here at the Southern California Edison office. This is the RockPals 250 watt power station. It operates on a pure sine wave, which is safer for your electronics than modified sine wave. It also has lithium batteries, which makes it much lighter and gives you stronger, longer battery capacity. It has universal AC outlets. It has USB outlets. On the back side, we have 4 DC outlets, so you can plug in cigarette lighter type car devices. A lot of people have medical devices that they need to power. This has a pure sine wave power inverter, but it does have a 250 watt constant, and I believe a 500 watt max. I should know that. So it's not going to power all of your devices. You're not going to run an air conditioner off of it or a blow dryer, but you can run lighting. I can run my 24-inch television for up to 8 hours off of one of these. You can run a computer, a laptop. You can run a CPAP. You can run a small medicine cooler. You'll have to find out the power consumption of the devices you want to power and purchase a power station with the appropriate power outlet. What's the word I'm looking for? Wattage for your devices. But even if you're just trying to do the most basic stuff, keep your phones connected, keep your TV running, stay online with your computer or your laptop or your tablet, this device is perfect. You don't need both of them together. Although if it's an extended power outage, it's great to have both devices. The nice thing about the RockPals portable power station, you can mount it flat or you can mount it kind of curved like I have it. If you're going to be gone during the day and you mount it sort of curved, as the sun moves during the day, it will always be hitting at least one of these panels almost full. So that gives you the best possible charge on your devices. You can also charge this though through the wall outlet of your house or through your car's cigarette lighter. And it's a good idea to keep it always charged up. If it's just a short power outage, a day or two, and you don't use a lot of power, you may not need the solar panel. But if you do want to be able to generate power yourself, they also offer this in a combo kit, and that might be the best way to go. Now this is the 100 watt panel. They sell bigger power stations and different size panels. The combo kit for this 250 watt power station will come with a 50 watt panel, which is half the size of this 100 watt. I will list links to both of these products, and I will put a link to the combo, the 250 watt power station and the 50 watt solar panel. And if you're in California worried about these power outages, it might help you to know that RockPals warehouse is located in California. So they can ship these to you fairly quick if you're also in California. They can ship these anywhere, but it's California that's having the issue with the power outage right now. So these people are looking at me like, why is this guy making a video? So I'm going to leave those links. If anybody has any questions, be sure to ask in the comments. And I know a lot of people are already aware of these devices, but a lot of you don't know that they exist. And it's a great way to stay prepared for power outages, camping trips, or any sort of emergency. Being able to make your own power and store your own power, it's a very advanced world we live in today. And we're very lucky that we have the options to get things like this so that we can take care of ourselves when they can't